What is up, YouTube? Welcome to the channel. Thanks for checking it out. I am Mr. I Just Want to Ride, and today, unfortunately, I'm not riding the bike, but I have it in the back of the truck back there. Ooh, we good? Railroad tracks, good. Bike there, good. All right. We are coming into Bridgeport. We are going to my buddy's muffler shop and gonna swap out the pipe on the Tenere, however you want to pronounce it, the T7. And so that's what we're gonna do today. Hopefully he's not busy. He knows I'm bringing it up here, but hopefully he's not busy and I can kind of hang out and see if we can get this thing fitted up. It is not for the bike. The exhaust I have, it's a Yoshi slip-on, but it's for a GSX-R 1000. I forget what year, but not for the T7. But hopefully my buddy has a muffler shop, so thinking he can get all the welds and the step downs and whatnot, and we can get this thing mounted up. Got a cop chilling on the side of the road. All right, so hopefully, yeah, we can get this thing to work and we'll see what it sounds like. All right.